People. Oh my God. All right, we just had one of the biggest stock market crashes and crypto crashes in a while. But we ain't gonna necessarily call it a crash, but it's a nasty dip. Very nasty. And guess what? Monday, it should drop some more. So I'm expecting it to drop a lot Monday. But after Monday and Tuesday, the market should settle some, and then eventually it'll start going back up. But with that being said, we ain't finna talk about all this scary stuff about the crash. We're gonna talk about how we can take advantage of the opportunity of this crash. So basically, I do trading myself. I do options trading for stocks. I don't do just crypto, even though I feel like crypto haven't been doing well in months. But all the big dogs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, those have been doing well. But all the smaller cap coins like super small haven't been done. They haven't done too well. But with that being said, I knew this crash was coming because on my social media in general, I see a lot of people posting charts. Look at energy, all-time high. Gold, all-time high. S&P 500, all-time high. Quantum computer stocks, all-time high. AI stocks, look, all-time high. Everybody's all euphoric about everything is running and posting charts. Whenever I see a bunch of people posting charts, I start shorting the market. I loaded puts on a couple stocks last week. I shorted Lyft when it broke my support level, even though I think Lyft is going to be $30 in the near future. Lyft is going to $30, but I did short it last week because I saw it getting weak, and it broke my support level around 20. I also shorted one quantum computer stock that's been running like crazy. The quantum computer stocks, QUBT and Rigetti, has been running like crazy for the past couple weeks. And I knew those were overextended. So I did short one of those, and I did pretty well. But after this crash is finished, I'm going to buy. Everything is at a discount right now. And Monday should be even a better discount, mark my word. So if you're down now and didn't sell during this dip, unfortunately, there's going to be more blood by Monday. But hopefully, you got a lot of capital left, or some kind of capital left to buy the dip. But with that being said, all the big time companies that's been doing well, they're going to continue to do well. Right now, it's just a little pullback, so it's really not anything to worry about. But I'm low key excited because I got out a lot of my positions in profit. Everything that was already up on green, I took whatever profit was there and I got out. I got the hell out Friday. And then I bought puts. I bought shorts Friday. So I got one short. I did a 0 DTE, meaning very volatile and risky. But I made 80% on my short Friday on SPY. And then I bought another put that expires Friday next week because I'm expecting the market to drop more. And I already caught a $10 downtrend on SPY before the day closed, and I expect a little bit more Monday. So I made money on this dump. So what people don't understand with the stock market, people make money in both directions with stock options. So anybody that's upset about the stock market going down or people's retirements going down, those people don't understand the stock market from both directions. They think the stock market just go up and it never supposed to go down. And they don't understand this. A lot of big corporations, a lot of people with a lot of money who short stocks. So they intentionally dump their stocks all at the same time, and it's all pre-planned. It's all coordinated. They buy short, they buy puts on the stock market, and then they sell all of their shares, billions of dollars in shares, to make the stock market crash. They capitalize on their puts, make money, and then they sell those puts, and then they buy their shares back for a cheaper price. That's been the game for years. They've been doing this for the past 30 to 50 years. Like, everything that's happening is normal, but only regular people who just buy stocks here and there, or who don't really know about stocks, they're the ones who don't understand what's going on. And they let the news, Donald Trump's tariff war with China, they use that as a reason to dump the market. They just needed one news story to dump it. They didn't just want to dump the market with no news because it looked suspicious. So they used this Donald Trump tariff crap with China to dump the market. And we know this is not the first time the market has failed because of tariffs. But what did the stock market do? What did the stock market do when the last tariff news came in? It dumped hard. Then when it scared everybody, telling you're losing your retirements, people were cashing out their retirements for a loss. And then the stock market bounced back, then hit all-time high. So do not let these people scare you out of your stocks. But again, this is the time you should be buying. You should be excited right now because all the stocks that was overpriced and I missed out on, they're back at the prices that I wanted to buy them at in the first place. So I'm excited. I'm excited right now. I'm selling my short positions Monday because I'm not trying to hold it too long, because I'm not trying to be on the wrong side of that. But with that being said, all the stocks that you saw was pumping that you thought you missed out on, this is your buying opportunity, and you're only going to get this one more time. The stock market is not going to continue to go down, and it's not going to go up forever. It's going to go up forever, but you got to take advantage of the dips. But with that being said, let's go out here and invest smartly. When everything's hyped up, you need to be wary. When everybody's scared, talking about cashing out their retirements and talking about they're about to go broke now, you should be buying. With that being said, I'm out.